Pharmaceutical formulations are at the heart of modern medicine, transforming active ingredients into safe, effective, and reliable dosage forms that improve patient care. Whether manufacturing tablets, capsules, syrups, injectables, ointments, or oral liquids, every stage of production demands precision, consistency, and strict quality control. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline formulation manufacturing while ensuring efficiency, compliance, and complete operational visibility. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From formulation management and bill of materials to procurement, batch production planning, inventory management, quality assurance, packaging, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Batch manufacturing is managed with complete control through production scheduling, electronic batch records, material tracking, and process monitoring. Manufacturers can monitor every batch in real time, optimize resource utilization, reduce production delays, and ensure consistent product quality throughout every production cycle. Quality management is built into every stage of formulation management.